I'll just wait here. How was that?
You like it? Grey water smelt more.
Really?
It was all over the floor.
Oh. Bib squat. Can you go through there?
Yeah.
Am I going to be able to reach? Am I going to be able to reach?
I'll go to the edge and then just get out. Yeah? Have you got enough muns in there?
Same.
143, that's not too expensive. It's about England price. That is what's killed it as well. The fuel price is mental.
Yeah. Stay here. Oh, are you filming? Scumbag, I didn't even know you were filming.
Always.
You must know, probably see my double chin and everything.
Ready?
Yeah. When do I get out? Stop. Could have probably hung out the window, but... Stay there, babe.
Recognise this spot as soon as we get there. It's literally just here somewhere. That's a strange, interesting noise.
Arriving at destination on right.
Yeah, boy.
I don't know if I do remember that. Oh, on the roof.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, is this the one where you're... No. Yeah.
While I was waiting for you.
Yeah, waiting for me.
I'm going to try and park this way this time. A bit different.
Oh, we're doing a Michael Jackson.
A little bit.
Michael Jackson ball. Hang on then. Let's take your seatbelt off.
Seatbelt. Come on, creature. Okay.
Is that a main road?
No, not main road. You do get traffic, but it is a little bit Michael. Oh, good one, Bob. Someone comes and mows this and everything.
Huh?
Somebody comes and mows the lawn.
Parkour. Not ready for bugs.
Cool.
Could be an age.
That'll do.
Oh. Oh, what a dumb boy.
Done, Bob.
Bob, Bob, Bob. You play with it yourself though, Bob, okay? Oh, I can wash my jacket. Just a quick little play. Yes, that's right. You don't want to play with it though. Go and get it then. Oh, careful, Bob.
You're right.
Go play, go play.
Give us the ball then. Yeah then. Come here. Thank you.
Come to me. I'm sorry, you got my ball, Mum.
What was that?
Pete, go get it. Bring it. Bring it. Good. Go on then.
How you doing, folks? I hope you're all well. Do you reckon to this, eh? Bit of alright, isn't it? This is what I've been waiting for. Just peace again. Proper peace. I'm back in one of the spots that I found while I was waiting for Marie to come over last year. Didn't drive very far. It's only about 40 kilometres from where we were. So yeah, what's the plan? A few people have asked. I will sit down shortly and go through all the comments. I know I've not answered stuff for a little while. The idea is, so we're going to be heading back to Chamonix, but I'm going to take a little bit of time to drive down there, not just going to beeline straight for it, because I want to, get settled back in and enjoy a bit, because when we get there we're going to be working quite a bit. I think that's the plan anyway. Want to try and sort of work as much as we can for about a month or so, and then once we build some money up, figure out what the plan is next. We're going to move on to somewhere, don't know where yet, so it depends how much money we've got really. If we've got enough, then we'll be heading up to Scandinavia, but yeah, it completely depends on how much we can earn. So yeah, I've just come outside to get a bit of sun and it's gone behind the clouds, but oh well, it's definitely a bit warmer than the last time I came here. Frost everywhere, I don't know if you remember. But yeah, it's been a bit quiet, I know, sorry about that. I did try making videos while I was back in England, made a few, but I started to lose interest a bit, which I knew would happen, but I think I held on longer than I was expecting, to be fair, so it's not too bad. But yeah, so we're gonna be back in rhythm again. I'm gonna try and do my best to make a video every day again, because I enjoy doing it. So depending on what we get up to, some days they might be short, some days they might be long, whatever. Doesn't really matter as long as I make something. And then you can follow along with the story a bit better, especially for the hardcore viewers that have been watching right from the beginning. I don't know how you've clung on for this long, but well done. And I'm glad to have you around. I always love reading the comments. But yeah, it's going to be a damn good summer, I'll tell you that. Wherever we end up, it's going to be good. And it's a lot better now as well, because we're all in the same wagon, so I can relax a little bit more, because I know that these two are fine, and I know Marie loves her independence and obviously was enjoying being in the tower, but when it all started to go wrong, I was constantly worrying about her and they're going to be alright and everything. And then once she started coming into my van, and it was always the thing in the back of her mind, like, oh, is the Talbot alright, you know, is it going to get nicked or whatever. So now that we're all in there, it's just a bit easier. It's like a 2.5 ton weight off my shoulders anyway, that's for sure. Yeah, probably won't do much. We've come to this spot now. We're just going to chill here for the night and then drive a bit tomorrow, go find somewhere new. I'll make this the last spot that I've been to before. Well, I'll try to anyway. Might find one by accident, but I want to try and find some new stuff if I can. But when we get to Chamonix, obviously the videos are going to be a bit more tricky to make again, because if I'm working a lot. Oh, there's the sun. Hello. Nice little peep. Oh, and it's gone again. Yeah, the videos are going to be a bit sort of tricky. So what I'm probably going to do is I'll make as many as I can, and obviously, you know, if we go do something like go explore or whatever, then I'll film that. But if I'm not really going to film the actual work, because it's a pain in the arse and it's a bit boring to watch. It's not really, you know, the van stuff, is it? So what I'll probably do is, when that time comes, obviously the videos will drop off again, but I'm going to make a few, I don't know, reviews kind of thing, I guess, or look at some of the bits that I've worked on and things like that. You know, I'll do a video on the heater, maybe the generator, although I need to test that properly. So the heater, I know a few people sort of saying about reviews on that. I can definitely say now 100% that it's worth buying, worth every penny, definitely. I wanted to do a proper test on it, and I mean, I think out of anybody I've seen anyway, I've probably done the most thorough test on them that you can do. You know, living up in the bloody mountains all winter, and without that heater, definitely it wouldn't have been possible. There's no way. It would have been horrific, especially when it dropped down really cold and it got to like minus 16, 17 or whatever it was. That would have been hell. I'd have had to leave 100%. So yeah, I can definitely recommend it now. So I'll do a little video on that, talking through it for anyone that doesn't know. So it's just back to the normal relaxed Ash videos. So I hope you're all still excited about watching them and gonna join me for wherever this trip decides to go. Before, I had the thorn in my side a bit with the MOT, because that was always going to expire in April. So now that that's gone and, you know, all sorted and passed, prop shaft's fixed, I'm free man for quite a while. So let's see what trouble we can get into. Oh, a bit of sun, the only sun of the whole day. Come on, Bob. Come on. Oh, nice. Pheasant.
Composition.
Getting some good clean shots.
Sort of.
Just sniff your leg.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. What's wrong? There's nothing wrong with sniffing things, is there? AJ?
Fat lens flares. See that, ladies and gentlemen? That plug just there, just down to its stripes, went to fly the drone and the screen kept going off. So I could plug the charger into the monitor and still fly.
But can't do it.
For fuck's sake. I took into Easter egg that we were given before we left. Thank you very much, Barbara. But it sort of melted a little bit.
That's Ash's fault, that is. Put them in the warm place.
Well, it will still taste the same. That's the main thing.
The other one's not.
No, only one melted.
Oh, I can't do this. I'm not giving up though.
For God's sake! It's like a bowl. Easter bowl. Oh, that's heavy. A lot of choco in there.